Good evening, y'all. I'm making this video because some people are so skeptical about this work from home job. So I'm here to make this video to let y'all know that it's real. 100% legal and legit. This is the PayPal right here. I'm about to log in. Nicole Johnson. That's my email.
You know that's messed up.
I know.
So I'm logging in now. All it takes is just a one-time investment for this, y'all. $25 ain't much. Y'all see people buying weed every day, spending $25. Come on, you can't put $25 in to make at least $200 extra a week. Like, something gotta be wrong, for real. Like, you can't invest $10 to make unlimited $10 payments. Come on, man. Let me tell y'all something. Right here.
That's LJ.
$25 payments. $25 payments. $180 bank account transfer. Keep going though. $25 payments. $25 payments. All them payments. You see that? No lies. Bank account transfers. $160, $50. Every week though. Get started today, man.